Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you a comparison video between Shopify and Hotmart. So which one is better? Choosing between this Shopify and Hotmart in 2025 depends on your business model, product offering, and growth objectives. Here's a detailed comparison to help you. Now, here is Shopify, the comprehensive e-commerce solution. So let's talk about the overview. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that enables business to create and manage online stores, offering tools for product management, payment processing, and customer engagement. Now, here are the key features: ease of use, user-friendly interface with drag and drop functionality suitable for users without technical expertise. Customization, access to a vast library of themes and apps to tailor your store's appearance and functionality. Multiple channel selling, integration with social media platforms and marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. So scalability, so the supports businesses of all sizes from startups to large enterprises. Now 24/7 support round the clock customers service by chat, email or phone. Now let's talk about the pricing. So the pricing is the base plan is $29 per month and the Shopify plan is $79 per month. Advanced payment plan is $299 per month, and Shopify Plus starting at $2,300 per month for enterprise level solutions. Or you can get a $1 startup bonus here you can find if you sign up for a free trial and get 3 months of Shopify for $1. Your first 3 months you can enjoy it for $1 per month, and this is most interesting thing about Shopify. Now here's the pros: comprehensive e-commerce features, extensive app marketplace, strong SEO and marketing tools, robust analytics and reporting. Let's talk about the cons: additional cost for premium themes and apps, transaction fees if not using Shopify payments, limited customization without coding knowledge. Now let's head to the Hotmart. So Hotmart, the specialized platform for digital products. So here's the overview. That is, Hotmart is a platform tailored to creators and entrepreneurs to sell digital products like online courses, ebooks, and subscriptions. It offers tools for product hosting, sales, and affiliate marketing. Now let's talk about the key features of this platform is digital product hosting. Securely host and deliver digital content to customers. Affiliate program built-in system to recruit affiliates and expand sales reach. Payment processing supports multiple currencies and payment methods. Marketing tools, email marketing, sales funnels, and analytics to optimize conversation. Now, community building, tools to engage with your audience and build a loyal customer base. Now, let's talk about the pricing. Hotmart operates on a commission-based model, charging a percentage of each sales. No upfront monthly fees, making it accessible for new creators. Now, let's talk about the pros. Ideal for digital product sales. No upfront costs, integrated affiliate marketing, comprehensive tools for content creators. Now let's talk about the cons: limited to digital products, less suitable for physical goods, revenue sharing model may impact profit margin. Now here is the final recommendation for you. Choose Shopify if you're looking to build a comprehensive online store that sells physical and digital products with extensive customization and scalability option. Choose Hotmart if you are a content creator focusing solely on digital products and prefer a platform with integrated marketing tools and no upfront costs. So both platforms cater to different needs, so consider your product offering and business goals when making a decision. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.